Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is ICent for ICent Cyber. So today I'll be doing the unboxing of Samsung Galaxzy A03 Core. It's probably the most cheapest Samsung phone that you will find currently. So I'll be doing the unboxing. I got one. It's actually what I'm using to shoot this video. So this is it. I don't know if this camera can focus. Samsung Galaxzy A03 Core. This particular one is blue. I'm actually using one already, like I said, and that one is black. This particular one is blue, as you can see. And then we have the charger. Thank you for watching. If you are not subscribed, kindly subscribe, hit the notification button, like, comment and share this video. See you in the next one.